Welcome back, traders. This is part 6 of our Forex Strategy series, and today we're stepping into advanced territory, but I will explain it in a simple, easy-to-understand way. We're talking about smart money concepts, SMC, liquidity, institutional manipulation, stop hunts, and fake outs, where big money enters the market. If you've ever wondered why the market hits your stop loss and then goes your direction, this video will finally answer that. Let's begin. Section 1. What is smart money? Smart money refers to banks, hedge funds, institutions, market makers. They move millions of dollars in the Forex market. Their goal is simple: collect liquidity, trade or stop losses, before moving the market. This is why you see fake breakouts, stop hunts, sudden reversals, violent spikes before trend continuation. Smart money concepts help you understand this behavior. What is liquidity? Liquidity, not clusters of stop losses. These areas exist because retail traders always place stop loss in obvious places. Above equal highs, lots of sell stops. Below equal lows, lots of buy stops. At support and resistance, at trendline touches, institutions target these zones to fill their large orders. Types of liquidity: buy-side liquidity, Chiger stops above highs; sell-side liquidity, Chid stops below lows. When price moves quickly to take out these levels, it's not random, it's intentional. Section 3. The stop hunt. A stop hunt happens when price moves fast in one direction, hits a liquidity pool, stop losses, then reverses. Example: market is trending down. Retail traders place stop loss above lower high price spikes above the lower high, then takes liquidity. Then drops with momentum. This is not a real breakout. This is manipulation. Your strategy protects you from this because you wait for trendline direction, flat zone, breakout confirmation, income arrow. These prevent you from falling for false moves. Section 4. How smart money enters the market. Institutions don't enter on random candles. They enter when they can get maximum liquidity. They look for equal highs, equal lows, double tops, double bottoms, retail trendline breakouts, fake news spikes, flat zones with clear stop clusters. They take liquidity, then move the market where they want. This is why structure plus trend plus confirmation is so powerful. Section 5. The smart money roadmap. Here's the simple SMC flow. Step 1. Identify the trend uptrend. Look for buy-side liquidity to be taken. Downtrend. Look for sell-side liquidity to be taken. Step 2. Identify liquidity zones. Equal highs, equal lows, clean levels, very obvious retail patterns. Step 3. Wait for liquidity. Grab price spikes and clears the stops. Step 4. Watch for reaction wicks, rejection candles, or sudden reverse. Step 5. Enter only with confirmation income arrow, trendline direction, flat zone break, MA support, Jock's resistance. This is how you avoid stop hunts while still trading with the trend. Section 6. Liquidity, plus your strategy, on even more accurate entries. Here's how your strategy becomes deadly accurate. Buy setup, smart money version, trendline up, price pulls back, the market takes sell-side liquidity below the previous low, a flat zone forms. Then a breakout plus an income arrow. Buy. Sell setup, smart money version. Trendline down, price retraces. The market grabs buy-side liquidity above the previous high. A flat zone forms. Then a breakout plus an income arrow. Sell one. So one dates in Galileo's. Showing be by Sue bar bro, Quadversur berg. So one den dauber style. And down your down very crying you own. Information from both your strategy and smart money behavior. This is advanced professional level trading. Smart money concepts help you see the truth behind the market. Remember, liquidity gets taken before the real move starts. If you understand this, you stop being manipulated and you start trading with the institutions. Combine trendline, market structure, flat zone, moving averages, income arrow, smart money liquidity, and you have a complete system. If part 6 opened your eyes to smart money concepts, like this video, subscribe to the channel, share it with other traders, and join channel membership for deeper SMC lessons, private mentorship, and live analysis. See you in part 7, where we go deeper into imbalance, fair value gaps, and institutional candles.